Hello and welcome to our weekly question time. We've got our star of the week and our superhero of the week. Hello guys, what class are you two in?
Barn
The Barn Owls in F2. What's your favourite thing about the Barn Owls class? What do you like the best? Doing some drawing?
Yeah.
Did you like drawing?
Yeah.
What type of things do you draw? Do you draw some houses and some flowers?
Yeah.
Yeah, things like that. What about you? What's your favourite thing about your class?
I just made house.
Okay, so you like making houses? What with? With building blocks or drawing?
Drawing.
Doing some more drawing. Fantastic. Next question. What's your favourite film? What do you like to watch? Okay, and what happens on that? Is it a cartoon film?
Yeah.
And is it funny?
No.
No, is it serious?
Yeah.
Oh, is it scary?
No.
Phew, just a serious one. Serious cartoon.
Yeah.
Okay, what about you? Have you got a favourite?
I'm watching Funnies.
Funnies? What's that? What happens in that?
They're smashing head and then I will laugh.
Okay. As long as you're having fun and enjoying yourself. Good answer, guys. Next question. What job do you want when you're older? What do you want to be? Okay, and why do you want to do that? To help people?
Yeah.
Okay.
Day.
And what about you? What job would you like?
I like making. I like
What job do you want?
watching funny.
That's what job you want? Watching funny things on telly? What job do you want?
I will playing that scaries.
Okay, so you want a job where you're playing scary things? Okay, and do you think you're going to get some money from doing it? Yeah, okay, well, time will tell. Next question, guys. Would you rather have a brand new aeroplane or a brand new speedboat? Aeroplane. Why? Do you like flying?
Yeah.
Have you been on an airplane before?
Yeah.
Were you not scared?
No.
Oh, did you look out of the window?
Yeah.
And was everything really small?
No, big.
Big? Everything's big out the window. Oh my word. What about you? Plane or boat?
Plane.
A plane? Why?
Because of the sea window.
You want to see out the window? Okay. Have you been on an airplane before?
Yeah, when I go seaside.
Okay. And did you look out of the window that time? Were you not scared? No. You're very brave, both of you. Next question. Where do you want to go on holiday?
Home. Park.
To the park?
Yeah.
A holiday park? That sounds like fun. What are you going to do at the holiday park?
A pen.
Lots of playing?
Yeah.
Yeah, of course you are. That sounds great.
And then I was in seaside the dolphins.
Wow, you want to see the dolphins? Have you seen the dolphins already? Wow, that's amazing. You want to see them again? That sounds really, really good. What a lovely answer. Now, I've only got one more question. It's a weird question. Would you rather have a chicken's head or a chicken's body?
Chicken body.
Chicken's body?
Yeah.
Flapping around all day? With them skinny little legs running around?
Yeah.
Yeah. What about you? Head or body?
Body.
Body, for the same reason. Flapping around with them skinny little legs. Be weird, wouldn't it? Seeing you guys with lots of feathers. You look very strange. Talking of strange, I've got one last thing for you to do. Show me your strangest, your silliest face and say goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Ugh. Very silly and strange.